Alright, I was super excited for this food hall in Eaton Center to be open. Queens Cross Food Hall, the south end of the mall. I was disappointed to learn that not all the food vendors were open. They were closed by the time I entered, between 7:30-ish. The mall does close at 9 p.m. So I really like the look of this food hall. I will return at a better time when all the food vendors are open so I can do a food crawl and try a little bit of everything. Finally, I'm inside Eaton Center's new food hall, Queens Cross Food Hall, and I am trying Beauty's fried chicken. So I got their pound of wings. 1 pound of wings is $18, and a side of medium cut fries. So, let's give it a try on a live stream with my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. Okay, back on here. Alright, so let's open it up and see. They made a fresh batch for me. So we'll see. This food hall is run and owned by Michael Bonaccini, well-known hospitality chef in Toronto. He owns quite a bit of restaurants here in Toronto. To name a few, Jump, what's the other one? Canoe. Canoe is in the Black Towers, the TD Towers, and it's, I forget what floor it is on, like up high. Anyway, has a great view. Anyway, let's look at the wings. And you got a choice of sauces, sweet chili, honey, or beauty buffalo sauce. But I got sweet chili. Okay, that's how it looks. They're very hot. And that's how it looks. Little puny ones. Let's look at the fries. Take your bite. Tender, moist. Good order for $5 for. To be honest, this order of fries weren't the best. I did make eye contact with the gentleman that made everything for me, or boxed everything. He saw, and he was watching me actually, because I was doing my live stream. So he saw that I wasn't happy, and he brought me over
And they have tater tots
a new order
for $6.
of fries, which was very nice. They were better, but still not the best cut fries I've had in Toronto. So hopefully they will improve on that. I'm very surprised that the fries weren't the best, to be honest.
Very tender.
So I'm not a fan of the little drumstick. I don't know if that's what they're called. I prefer the flat. What kind of wings? What are you? The flat or the little drum? What's your fave? Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy these wings and fries. If you're ever visiting Toronto, if you're local, and you haven't been to Eaton Centre in a while, come on down to Queen's Cross Food Hall. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum.